Hey guys, it's me Marcus, and today we're gonna open this Pokemon Card Ultra Premium box. Now we got a Pikachu, a Drowsy, a Dragonite, a Energy Body, an item, a Pidgeotto, a Magmar, a Shelter, an Omate, Tarus, and Kadabra. Okay, now for today we got an Ivysaur, a Psychic Energy, looks pretty cool. And we got ladies and gentlemen, we got a shiny Alakazam. Look at this. We got a Fighter, Porygon, Electabuzz, Corfling, Teliga, Kabuto, Gloom, Clefairy. So our first shiny is an Alakazam EX. Let's put him right next to Mew and Muse. Okay. We got a Safari, a Machop. Oh, wait. Porygon. Another Electabuzz. Slowbro. A non-hollow Ivysaur. Seeking. Pimprate. Gengar. And a Aerodactyl. Oh, there's something good behind this. Okay. Oh, it's just the energy card. Okay, now we're gonna start off with a Tentacool, Rattata, Squirtle, Lickitung, Nidoqueen, Visible, Big Air Balloon, Reverse Hollow Magikarp, Reverse Hollow Shelter, a Mewtwo, a Hollow Mewtwo, and a Fire Energy. We have a Magmar, a Shelter, Bellsprouts, Corsia, another non-hollow Ivysaur, Dewgong, Hitmonchan, Reverse Hollow Machop, Lickitung, and we end up with the Osmar, Hollow Osmar. Now we got ourselves an Eevee, a Drone Fossil, Weedle, Zubat, Glue, Clefairy, Dugito, Reverse Hollow Dorito, Glue, Reverse Hollow Gloom, and we got a Hollow Chansey. Package number 6, we have a Raihan, a Magikarp, an Oddish, a Mankey, Hitmonchan, a Grabber, a Kingler, wait, what is it called? Nidodrono, Globalt, Hollow Golotin,
Slow down when you're showing it.
and a Lemming Energy. sides and I showed the front. Okay, so we are first out with an Doodle and Tentacle, a number of a Rattata, a Squirtle, a Yamati, Carus, Kadabra, Reverse Hollow Horsia,
Better.
Reverse Hollow Mankey, and finally we end up with Hollow Mr. Mime. Now we start with a Jigglypuff, a Staryu, a Charmander, Sparrow, Cloyster, a Parasect, Giovanni Charisma, Reverse Hollow Pikachu, Reverse Hollow Killaby, and we end up with a Hollow Beedrill. We're starting out with a Meowth, Execute, a Safari, Machop, Energy Sticker, a Rhydon, Escalator, a Reverse Hollow Dortrito, an Ivysaur, Reverse Hollow, and we end up with a Weaseling Hollow again. Now we got another Plant Energy. Package number 11. Now we were pulling out a Lickitung, a Vignette, a Pidgey, a Metapod, Ivysaur, Slowbro, Machoke, Reverse Hollow Eevee, Reverse Hollow Drowsy, and we end up with a Hollow Gengar and a Fighter Hollow. Okay, number 12, we'll have a Goldeen, a Weembell, a Ghastly, a Paras, a Hunter, a Hillmonk, a Poliwrath. Oh, we got something from here. I know we got something good. Okay, and we have a Ripdash and a Hollow Pikachu. Ow! Oh! What? What? We put a Charizard EX. Look. Oh my god. We got 2 in 1. We got a Pikachu Hollow. Alright. And for this one, we started with a Nordium Anabra, the Diglett, a Poop, a Drowsy, a Sinking, a Butterfree, a Pras, Tentacool, Seal, and a Craftopus. And now, package number 14. We got a Vellator, a Krabi, a Sandshoe, a Seal, a Hypno, War Total, Pidgeot, Sandshoe, Sandslash, excuse me, Pokemon. Another EX. This time is a Ninetales EX. Now package number 15. We got a Bulbasaur, Slowpoke, Growthbite, Geodude, Psychodude, Sixer, a Charmeleon, a Cycling Road, Reverse Hollow Voltorb, and a Hollow Electrode, whatever we call it. And up to the last final pack. Number 16. Will we pull something better than all of this? Last up, we have a Ponyta, Poilag, a Pikachu, a Fairfetch'd, a Durgong, Butterfree, Sea King, Reverse Hollow Porygon, Reverse. Oh, we got something. Reverse Hollow Graveler, and then. We got something good. A Wigglytuff EX. We reached the end of the video, so I'm going to show you my favorite cards from this video. Starting off with a Weezling, Gengar, Jolteon, Beedrill, Ivysaur, Chansey, Oldmar, Dragonite, Mewtwo, Mew EX, Aerodactyl, Carloctopus, Electrode, Mr. Mime, Mewtwo, Pikachu, Wigglypuff EX, Alakazam EX, Graveler, hold on, Mew EX, Ninetales EX, and last but not least, the Charizard EX. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Bye guys!